Did you know that during the last major interest rate cut in 2020, Bitcoin skyrocketed by over 300% in just a few months? Crazy, right? It's wild to think about how these economic moves can send shockwaves through the crypto market. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a hot topic. What happens to Bitcoin if the government cuts interest rates by September? With so much talk about inflation and economic shifts lately, understanding the relationship between interest rates and Bitcoin is super relevant right now. So, let's break it down. Alright, so let's talk about what a potential interest rate cut could mean for us. When the government lowers interest rates, it's usually a move to stimulate the economy. But here's the kicker. It often leads to inflation because more money is in circulation. Investors start looking for safe havens for their cash, and that can lead to a surge in demand for assets like Bitcoin. However, it can also mean increased volatility. With more cash in the market, some people might dump their Bitcoin for quick profits, leading to fluctuations. So, we have this double-edged sword: on one side, potential growth, and on the other, the risk of wild price swings. It's a challenging scenario for any investor to navigate. Now let's take a step back and explore how Bitcoin has reacted to past economic changes. Historically, whenever interest rates have been slashed, we often see Bitcoin respond positively. Many view Bitcoin as a hedge against inflation, kind of like digital gold. When people lose faith in traditional currencies, they flock to Bitcoin, driving its value up. For instance, after the 2020 rate cuts, Bitcoin not only recovered, but also surged to new all-time highs. However, it's essential to note that Bitcoin has a reputation for being volatile. While it can rise dramatically, it can also dip just as quickly. So, while some investors are optimistic, others are wary of the possible market chaos that could ensue with a rate cut. Here's the most critical insight. A rate cut could either propel Bitcoin's value to new heights or unleash a storm of volatility. If more investors view Bitcoin as a safe haven and pour money into it, we could see that massive increase like we did in 2020. But on the flip side, if the market gets spooked and people start selling off to cash out, Bitcoin could experience some serious price swings. It's a bit of a gamble. The key takeaway here is that while interest rate cuts can create a favorable environment for Bitcoin growth, they can also lead to uncertainty and risk. So, to sum it all up, the potential cut in interest rates by September might open the floodgates for Bitcoin to shine, but it could also bring about some market turbulence. We've seen how Bitcoin reacts to economic changes in the past, and while history may suggest a bullish trend, we can't ignore the volatility that comes with it. Keep an eye on those economic indicators. Now I want to hear from you. What do you think will happen to Bitcoin if interest rates get cut? Will it soar, or will we see some crazy volatility? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about cryptocurrencies, don't forget to check out my other content. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. This video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. Click the link below to check out the book that will help your journey to success.